Welcome back to Drive Future, the home of the world's boldest, fastest, most advanced, and most futuristic machines. And today we're diving deep into one of the most sensational creations ever to come out of Italy, the all-new 2026 Ferrari F80 Supercar, a machine that pushes the limits of engineering, aerodynamics, speed, and pure emotional performance far beyond anything Ferrari has built before. The F80 is not just a successor to Ferrari's legendary hypercars. It is a revolution crafted to dominate the roads, electrify the track, and deliver an intensely futuristic driving experience that merges hybrid innovation with classic Italian soul. From the very first glance, the 2026 F80 looks like it has escaped from a high-tech wind tunnel or a sci-fi movie. Its body is sculpted with extreme precision, featuring low drag surfaces, aggressive aerodynamic channels, active aero flaps, and a razor-sharp silhouette that almost feels alive as it slices through the air. The ultra-low stance, teardrop cabin, floating rear wings, and seamless LED lighting give it a presence that instantly separates it from any supercar or hypercar currently on the market. Ferrari engineers designed the F80 using a lightweight carbon titanium composite monocoque, improving rigidity while dropping weight to achieve the closest thing to a road-legal race prototype. Moving to the heart of this beast, the F80 houses Ferrari's next-generation twin-turbo V8 hybrid power unit paired with dual high-output electric motors, producing a mind-bending combined power figure rumored to exceed 1,200 horsepower. This setup gives the F80 an explosive acceleration that rockets the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 2 seconds, with a top speed pushing well beyond 400 kilometers per hour, making it not only faster than many hypercars on the planet, but also one of the most technologically advanced powertrains Ferrari has ever created. The hybrid system is tuned for instant torque, allowing the F80 to deliver an aggressive yet controlled surge of power, while advanced battery management ensures consistent performance whether on the road or the racetrack. Ferrari's legendary driving dynamics take another leap with the introduction of an AI-assisted control system that constantly monitors traction, steering angle, grip levels, and suspension behavior 1,000 times per second, adapting the car in real time to deliver the perfect balance of stability and wild performance. The steering is hyper-responsive, the chassis reacts like a living organism, and the electronically controlled suspension keeps the car glued to the asphalt even during extreme maneuvers. Driving the F80 feels like being connected directly to the car's nervous system, where every input is translated instantly into precise movement. Inside, the F80 brings a cockpit inspired by fighter jets and Formula One cars, with a minimalistic layout that focuses purely on driving. The seats are ultra-lightweight carbon shells wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather, and the cabin is designed to keep the driver low, centered, and engaged. A fully digital curved instrument cluster displays telemetry, G-force data, battery performance, temperature readings, and aerodynamic adjustments in real time, while the compact yoke-style steering wheel integrates controls for drive modes, suspension settings, and energy deployment. Ferrari retained the emotional engagement by giving the F80 a sound profile that blends the roar of its V8 engine with the high-tech electric whir, producing a soundtrack that feels futuristic yet unmistakably Ferrari. The infotainment system uses Ferrari's new high-speed OS with augmented reality navigation, track coaching assist, live aero visualization, and customizable performance pages. Even with all this technology, the cabin remains driver-focused, uncluttered, and built for maximum thrill. On the road, the F80 feels like a perfect blend of raw power and surgical precision. Its advanced torque vectoring system allows insane cornering speeds, pushing the boundaries of what a road car can do. The braking system uses carbon ceramic discs with enhanced cooling and regenerative capabilities, delivering brutal stopping power while recovering energy for the hybrid system. The F80's active aerodynamic components transform depending on speed and driving mode, allowing the car to switch from a low-drag, high-speed missile to a downforce heavy track weapon. Every element of the design works in harmony to create a machine that feels more like a future-gen hypercar concept than a production vehicle. What makes the 2026 Ferrari F80 truly special is not just its power or technology, but the way it blends emotion with innovation. Ferrari has managed to create a supercar that respects its heritage while breaking new ground, giving enthusiasts a machine that delivers breathtaking performance, futuristic aesthetics, and an immersive driving experience that pushes adrenaline to another level. Whether attacking corners on a track, blasting down highways, or simply being admired for its dramatic design, the F80 stands as a masterpiece of modern automotive engineering. It represents Ferrari's bold commitment to the future, merging hybrid performance with extreme lightweight construction, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and digital intelligence. This is not just a supercar, it is a statement from Ferrari that the future of performance can be sustainable, powerful, and emotionally charged all at once. And as always, this is Drive Future, bringing you the world's most advanced machines and the most futuristic creations that redefine what's possible in the automotive world.